All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. My name is Jason. If you haven't been here before, the channel is all about making money online. We find ways to make money online and we pass that on to you so you can do the same. What I'd like to do today is I'm going to go over just a little bit of Live Good here for day 4. We're working on this new series. This is a daily, not a daily series, but it's a walkthrough on setup and how to promote. What I'd like to do today is I ran into something and I wanted to show you so you can be prepared for it. It's not a big deal. There's an easy workaround, and you don't even need to do this if you don't want to, but it will help you in the long run if you do. If you haven't been here before, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe and like this video if you find any value in it. So what we're going to do is jump into Live Good. And let me get logged in. And this is a new company. It's a new opportunity. So it's been on the market for about 2 months, about 8 weeks. And it's really building fast. So it's got a huge downline. People are just joining this really fast. But here's one thing that I want you to keep in mind. And I want to show you how to get around it, or how to fix it, or how to help yourself so you can get more traffic. So this company in here, they don't want you using a lot of paid traffic. If you're a marketer, as you know, paid traffic can be kind of iffy. If you're just getting clicks and they're not really good clicks, if they're just robot clicks or whatever, then they're not good traffic going into your site. So what Live Good is trying to do is not get all that saturated traffic in there. They're trying to get good, valuable traffic to help you run your business. So as you can see right in here, now obviously we're not going to spam, so we don't spam anything that we have. But right here, so do not purchase leads or traffic. Now, if you sign up with this and you just promote your tour link and you do it with paid traffic, you're taking a chance on getting your account shut down, or at least getting it suspended for temporarily, or getting it shut down even permanently. I know there's people now that have had their accounts temporarily suspended until they fix this issue. So, and it's good. It's good. It's a good quality site, and they're trying to get good quality traffic. It only helps you to do that. So here's what we've got. And if you do it this way, you will be able to run paid traffic from good sources, and you'll just get the good leads through to your site. You won't have fake clicks and bot clicks and all that kind of stuff. So what you're going to do is, so I've got a funnel builder, and this funnel builder is cheap. It's 25 bucks a month. And inside here, you can build a funnel to go to your Live Good tour site. Now, I'm going to show you right quick what that will look like. So there will be a link below this video for the funnel builder and for Live Good both. And you don't have to do this, but it's going to help you in the long run if you do. So I wanted to throw it out there. Because you can definitely get more traffic this way, and you can get more opt-ins running it this way. So inside here, what I did, and this funnel is already built in the system. So this is available to you. You can just go in and you can make this so it's your own. You just have to go and put your settings in it. So what I did was I came in here, and let me move myself a little bit. So what you're going to do, you're going to get into your funnel system. You'll definitely want to get your HBA funnel built, which is the first one we saw, because you're going to want to make money off of that as well. All right, so you can resell this funnel system and you can make money off of that. Now, with this system, this is a really high converting page. So what you're going to do is, all you got to do is come in here. It's real easy. You're going to click on this box, you're going to go into your settings. You're going to title it Live Good Leads. That's what I titled it. Oh, I want to put my email in there. I'm glad I did this. I forgot to do that earlier. Okay, put your email in here. That way it sends you a notification when you have an opt-in, and it'll tell you what page they opted in. And then you're going to come down here. So this is your button text. Leave that. Action on submit. Go to page. Yes, we want that. And then here is where you're going to put your Live Good Tour link. Okay, so you're just going to click on that. It'll bring this up. Go to Live Good. So I would go here. I would copy my link. All right. And then I would come back over here to my website and paste it right here. Now we're just going to, let's see, we'll just open it in, we'll do a new, we'll do same tab. Now, anytime you make a change in here, oh, and then you can hook this up to your get response. So if you've got an autoresponder, you can hook this up to your get response, so you automatically get those leads into your autoresponder, and you can set up an automated series if you want to. But you're going to capture these leads in here in your autoresponder, so you can continue to market other products to your leads. So that's the other beauty about this. So it's going to make you more money. The fortune's in the list, right? So you would just come in here, you would click get response settings. And I've got all my lists in here that I use for my get response. I added Live Good Leads, confirm. And once you click off of this, you're going to have a save button. So anything you do, you always want to make sure you hit that save button so it saves it. And then this becomes your domain. Now, if you've already gone and created a domain, what I would do, like we showed on video number 2, we showed you how to set up your domain and get that set up inside Cloudflare. So what you're going to do, and what I just did was, let me show you. Let me bring up Cloudflare. And it should be in here. Yeah. So pick which domain you want it to be. Mine's this one. And then all you have to do is click on it and then go over to rules. Now, once you've done that, if you just go over here to the tool, the little wrench here, if you click that wrench, you can edit this. So just click the wrench. You're going to come down here where you had your Live Good Tour in here, and you're just going to put in your new URL that you've just created inside your funnel builder. Okay, then once that's done, you click Save Page Rule, which we already had it saved. But then, so once that's done, let me show you what that does. So now I'm going to come here. I'm going to go make fastcoin.com. Okay, now that brings me to my capture page. So now this is the first page you're going to see. Now, if I'm sending this and I've got a good lead, they'll come here. They will put their name in here. They're going to put their address in here. That's just one of them that I use. And you're going to click, and they're going to click free tour right here. Now it brings you to your Live Good Tour site. So now you've captured that lead for your autoresponder. And now they can watch this video for the free tour.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and
okay, so now if they have interest, if they want to reserve their spot in the matrix, they need to put their name in here and their email address to reserve that spot in there. But now you have their contact information. So you add to your list. Now, if they come in here and reserve a spot, you would have that. But we want to go ahead and have that because we know they're interested in making money online. So we want to go ahead and capture their information on the front end. And then we have it, we can market other products, right? Most of us out there are marketing several different products. We've got traffic and things like that we're marketing. So this gives you another opportunity to be able to do that. And you've always got that lead in there, okay? So the first thing you're going to see, go back over here to my funnel builder. You can see I've got a lot of funnels. So the good thing about this funnel builder too is that you can go in here and you can build any kind of funnels that you want. So this funnel here is for HBA itself. This is a $25 all-in-one business. So when you click my link, this is what you'll see. And this is how you would get the $25 funnel builder. And then once you get in, you'll have the funnel builder tool here. And you can get in there. And I'm going to show you. So what you'll do, you'll start here on number one. But I've got to start down here because I've got all these. But I'm just going to do a demo real quick. Let's say I want to build another page. I'm going to build a page and it's going to give me some options because these are already built in here. And for that one, for Live Good. So firstly, when you set this up, you want to definitely set up your funnel to HBA for your $25 business. And you're going to use this one because this is a really high converting. Okay. And you set up the same way. You just go in here, you select, you change your links and stuff inside here. So it goes to your website. And then you set up your autoresponder just like I showed before, and then you're good to go. All right, so you get that done. And whenever you're ready for Live Good, that is done in here also. Let me find it. And I'll show you how simple this is. This is a great system. I use this system for every business that I'm involved in. I use this system because it's cheap and the software is awesome. I love it. It's awesome. All right, so you got two variations in here. So if you want to market for health and wealth, that is going to go to this one. And it's already built. All you have to do is come in here and make the changes that I indicated earlier, and you're good to go. Then you go over to Cloudflare, you make that quick change in your rules, and you're good. You're ready. Now, if you want to select this one, just the wording's a little different. I want to see how you can generate as much as $2,047.50 a month with zero sponsoring. I mean, it sounds good to me, right? So secure your free top spot. They put their name, their email address, and get their free tour. Now you would do this the same way. You come in here, you would click on this box, click on the gear icon, and you would go through and set this up as shown previously, and then you're good to go. Now you can take that domain that you made for this, and you can market it wherever you want. Because you know that if someone clicks, let me go back to that funnel. You know now that if someone comes in here, now they see this. If they're interested, okay, they're going to put their info in here. Well, now we know that's a real person. You've got their info. You can continue to market to them, and they move forward to Live Good, and they can secure their spot in the top of that matrix before it's too late or before it gets too full, right? Because like I said, this opportunity is exploding, and you want to get in as high as the top as you can, because those bottom levels are all going to fill up. All right. And as soon as you secure a spot, that's your spot. It'll reset Thursday. If you sign up as an affiliate and a member, that will be your spot. So if you don't, then it resets Thursday, and then you fall out of spot. Whoever signed up before you, then they get that spot. So in order to do this, you really want to get in early, get your spot secured, and then move on. Now this business with Live Good, super cheap. It's $10 a month. You're not going to find anything cheaper than that to run like this. Now, even if you go in there and pay annual, I think it's $140 for the whole year, and that is the membership and your affiliate status, so you can resell, and you're covered for the year. So it's kind of a no-brainer. Now the funnel builder, the $25 all-in-one, that is a monthly subscription for $25. Well worth it. I think it's extremely low for everything you get inside there. And for me, again, it's just a no-brainer to go in here and get this site as well. So then you make money off of both, right? So now when I market this, I'm making money off of Live Good sales and the funnel builder. So that is what we want. All right. So guys, I just wanted to do an update real quick for day 4, because we did do that setup on day 2. But we don't want your accounts to get shut down. I understand why they're doing it. Absolutely. Sometimes I do run paid traffic. So I want a way to do that without having to worry about my account, because I really like this company, and it's going to explode. And I don't want to do anything to mess it up. So, all right, guys, thanks for being here. Please subscribe if you have not done so yet. Give me a like on this video if you found any value, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.